Were you granted asylum in the United States but you're considering visiting your home country? If so, you have to be careful because according to immigration laws, if you return to your home country, your asylum application may be questionable. Therefore, it is important for you to make sure that if you return to your home country, you only do so if there has been changes in country conditions. As a matter of fact, just recently, a congressman proposed a new law in which someone who already obtained a green card or even became already a U.S. citizen based on an approval of an asylum application may be stripped from that immigration status just because that person returned to his or her home country. So make sure that if you return, you only do so if there has been changes in country conditions. If you have any questions about this or any other immigration matter, feel free to give us a call. We're here to assist you. Take care.